Hello, I saw your question on section 7.4, it's number 7. You said you were having trouble with calculating the z value, and here's the formula. I guess the population portion minus the mean of the population portion over the standard error, where it's defined to be equal to this. There's two parts. If I were guessing, probably understanding the value of p. They give you a p as less than or equal to 0.43, and so we take it to p's equal to 0.43, which is the population proportion. And to find q, it's just 1 minus p. So those are the numbers you need for this error here. They give you alpha. Well, you don't need that for the z-score. They give you p hat and n. So I put these three numbers, the 0.43, the 0.57, and the 50 into this formula, and I get approximately 0.07. Then I put these numbers here into the z-score. The p hat was given as 0.42 minus p, which is 0.43, which I'm guessing that's where your issue's at, all over 0.07. It comes out to roughly a minus 0.14. They asked you to round in their hundredths. Hope this helps.